Mr. Speaker, I know that we are in political times, and I would want to encourage, it's very nice when you have robust discussions here. And so it's very nice when we challenge Honorable Senator Sifuna. And the more we do it, the more you give him more profile. So if you want to give him more profile, continue mentioning his name. Mr. Speaker, I know because I always mention people favorably. People always wonder, some people tell me I sit on the fence, which I don't mind because I sit with my buttocks, I don't borrow anybody's. But having said that, Mr. Speaker, my kind of politics is that I play a politics of praising the person I want. So I'll praise myself, I'll praise my candidate, but I'm not really too much given to trying to underrate people, calling them, I don't know, they lack intelligence. So even if it is Sifuna who did that, I think it is wrong. I was actually went and asked the chairman what Sifuna said because I didn't hear. So if Sifuna did that, it is wrong. If Ichungwa is doing it, it is wrong. It is wrong for us to keep calling people names here. And especially when we're in a technological era when children are seeing this. In the past, I used to do that, but I've become born again, Mr. Speaker. I don't do such things anymore. We must remember that our young children are watching us, and we should stop calling people names. And especially, some of us who are lawyers, we take offense when you call a fellow lawyer as an idiot. I may be an idiot in economics, though I'm not overly an idiot. I got a principal pass in my A-levels in economics. But you probably may also be an idiot when it comes to matters of law. So let us be respectful of of other members. Let us disagree politically. So let Sifuna support his one term, you support 2 term. Me, Millie, I'll support my candidate. In my own style and in my own way. I think a lot of us want us to say that if I say 1 term, that is when I'm not supporting the president. Or if I say 2 term, that's when I'm supporting the president. You are not the one who manufactures my mouth or my language on how I support. I support in the language, in the style, and the way I deem fit and I deem best. So I think what we want to do, sometimes we cause other people to move away from us by our styles. Let us do or encourage styles that, are more inclusive. Some of us, if I go to my constituency, I can tell you that I see evidence of growth. I can see evidence of work that the president is doing. But don't tell me to say 2 term. You say that one if you want. I don't use your style. I can go and tell Suba North people that there is Rusinga Ring Road. You, if you are a psychophant and you want to do that, go and do it yourself. I will not do it. I'm Millie Odhiambo Mabona, a.k.a. Bad Girl, a.k.a. Geza Geza. You don't teach me how to do my politics.